Hi there, my name is Raymond. In this video I would like to talk about a great way for promoting your designs of Redbubble or any other print-on-demand platform like Teespring, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, or even any affiliate product in Pinterest. And firstly, you have to know Pinterest loves and prefers some pins to others according to some parameters like the quality of your pin, the diversity of the pin type between video, idea pin, or static image, and the optimization of your title and description and hashtags and the number of ports, and of course the engagement rate of this pin. And in this video I would like to talk about how to make a fully optimized Pinterest description for promoting your products and your designs on Pinterest. And this Pinterest description would be highly creative and unique because I will share with you a great tool that makes it for you without any effort and without any time. This tool is Jarvis.ai, and currently Jarvis.ai is one of the best artificial intelligence tools for copywriting in many forms, because by using Jarvis.ai you can make an entire ebook or long form blog post or YouTube script and poetry story, and in social media forms like in Twitter, Instagram captions, and of course for making Pinterest description. And fortunately Jarvis.ai provides us with a free trial of 5 days or 10,000 words for trying this awesome tool. And I will leave this link of this page below in the description box, so you when click this link, this page will open up, and you come here to this button and click over that, claim 10,000 words free. Okay, we can just enter some details about you like first name, last name, and email and the password. I can use today temporary email like this, copy. Okay, very quickly paste it, password like that, continue. That's nice. Company name, you can type any name as you want. Domain, you can just make a certain blog, okay, blogger. Okay, continue. Social posts, next. Yeah, I'm not report, of course. And here you can try it for free 5 days. You can choose either this plan or this plan, so we can choose this, start free trial of 5 days or 10,000 words. Okay, and here in this page you can enter your payment details, your card information, and this step for verification and to make sure you are a serious person. Okay, so after you enter your payment details, just we can go to the next step. And here in this step, I hope you enjoyed this video so far, and I would appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for further tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand and affiliate marketing and others. And here we are in the dashboard of your account of Jarvis.ai in the boss mode plan within the free trial that would end in 5 days. Okay, so we are going to the templates here. Okay, and as I said before, you can make in Jarvis a long form blog post or poetry and story and YouTube script and many other templates like blog post topic ideas, blog post outline, creative story, and for child sentence expander, Google Ads headline, and many other templates for Amazon product features and emotional features. Okay, and a photo post caption for Instagram and so on regarding YouTube. And down coming to this Pinterest bin title and description, Pinterest bin title and description for making fully optimized bin description. Okay, just click over that, and here you can add some inputs about your bin, like tell us about your bin. Okay, keywords, the main keywords of your bin or your design, the company or the product. Okay, and the tone of voice like professional, casual, funny, persuasive, and etc. Okay, and now let's try an example for you. If you want to promote a cat lover t-shirt, that contains a design and a quote of I love cats. Okay, so you can type here in this box t-shirt for cat lover. Okay, that contains a quote of I love cats. Okay, here in keywords you can put the main keywords of your design and your pen, like t-shirt. Okay, excuse me, t-shirt, gift, cat lover, cats, quotes. Okay, product name, you can put this t-shirt. Okay, tone of voice, you can make it professional. Okay, just generate AI content, artificial intelligence content, and here results of full optimized pen description. Like this t-shirt is perfect for the cat lover in your life. It contains a code that says I love cats to show their love of cats. The shirt comes at an affordable price, and so on, and it contains a call to action. Okay, the second one, if you know a cat lover who needs a new t-shirt, this one is perfect. The quote reads, perfect gift idea, it is call to action. Okay, you can generate more AI content from that. Like for the cat lover in your life who needs a new t-shirt, this one is perfect. The black and white design features a code that says it's a great gift for anyone you know who loves their feline friends. Okay, give this gift of a funny cat lover t-shirt that show how much you care about cats, and this and so on. And here, as you see, you will find full optimized pen description that contains coordinated sentences with strong keywords and great call to actions. And these such pen descriptions are much loved by Pinterest algorithm. And here you can choose any one of this Pinterest description. Okay, and just copy this and paste it in your Pinterest. Okay, for promoting your Redbubble designs and designs of any platform of print on demand, or even your articles, your stores, your affiliate products, and etc. And here we reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.